You're listening to an article by Eminent, an expert in aerospace engineering and technical consultation. See us at eminentdesign.com. The RTCA DO-160 standard, also known as Environmental Conditions and Test Procedures for Airborne Equipment, is a widely recognized framework that defines testing standards for ensuring the environmental resilience and operational safety of aerospace equipment. From temperature fluctuations to electromagnetic interference, DO-160 sets rigorous testing requirements across multiple parameters to confirm that aircraft systems and components meet the high safety and durability demands of the aerospace industry. This article provides an overview of DO-160, its history, recent revisions, FAA involvement, and its critical role in the design, testing, and certification processes. The history and evolution of DO-160. The RTCA, Radio Technical Commission for Aeronautics, first published DO-160 in 1958. Initially designed to address the environmental concerns associated with airborne electronics, DO-160 has evolved significantly to encompass a broader range of testing requirements. Over the decades, it has been revised multiple times to align with technological advancements, emerging safety standards, and increasingly complex operating environments. Each revision enhances the standard, refining test methodologies and parameters based on industry insights and technological developments. Notable milestones in its evolution include DO-160, Revision E, 1989, expanded to cover electromagnetic compatibility and vibration testing requirements. DO-160, Revision F, 2007, incorporated expanded testing for lightning and RF emissions, essential for new electronic and wireless systems. DO-160 Revision G, 2010. This current revision is the most comprehensive, adding or refining sections to address modern environmental conditions and equipment susceptibilities, such as electrostatic discharge, icing, and power input resilience. With each revision, DO-160 has adapted to address new environmental concerns, ensuring it remains relevant for both existing and next-generation aircraft systems. The role of the FAA in DO-160 standards. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, plays a pivotal role in enforcing DO-160 compliance as part of its mission to ensure aircraft safety and reliability. While RTCA develops the standard, the FAA adopts DO-160 as part of its regulatory framework, requiring compliance with the standard in the certification process for many types of equipment installed on U.S. commercial aircraft. By doing so, the FAA ensures that all components and systems meet rigorous environmental resilience criteria before they are cleared for flight. FAA Advisory Circulars, ACs, provide guidance on how DO-160 is applied to various types of equipment and operational scenarios. These circulars outline testing protocols and certification expectations, creating a direct link between DO-160 requirements and FAA regulatory standards for environmental testing. Key areas of DO-160 environmental testing. DO-160 encompasses 26 sections, each targeting specific environmental conditions and hazards that equipment may face in aerospace environments. These sections cover an extensive range of tests to assess resilience under factors such as temperature and altitude, ensures functionality across extreme temperature and altitude ranges, humidity and condensation, verifies resistance to moisture buildup and humidity, vibration and shock, evaluates the equipment's resilience to continuous vibrations and operational shocks. Electromagnetic interference, MI, confirms that equipment is unaffected by electromagnetic fields generated by other systems. Icing and freezing conditions, tests waterproofness and functionality in icing conditions. RF emissions and susceptibility, verifies that equipment neither emits harmful RF energy nor is affected by nearby RF sources. Fire and flammability, assesses fire resistance and limits smoke emission to prevent onboard hazards. Each section establishes clear parameters for testing, such as specific temperature ranges, levels of shock or vibration, and acceptable performance thresholds. By covering such a wide array of environmental factors, DO-160 supports a holistic approach to environmental testing, safeguarding equipment against multiple real-world conditions. Recent revisions and key changes in DO-160G. The most recent revision, DO-160G, introduced in 2010, reflects the increasing complexity of aircraft systems and the growing role of electronics in flight. Key changes and additions in DO-160G include enhanced lightning protection, updates to sections on lightning-induced transient susceptibility, ensure that modern electronics are shielded from intense lightning-induced transients, essential for flight-critical systems, extended power input and voltage testing. Additional categories and refined criteria for power input testing support the wide range of power sources now used in modern aircraft. Electrostatic discharge, ESD testing. A dedicated section for ESD testing helps prevent static-related malfunctions, especially vital for digital and sensitive electronic systems. Expanded icing and waterproofness. Standards. Refined requirements for equipment exposed to icing conditions confirm that both external and internal components meet higher standards of waterproofness. The enhancements in DO-160G align with the operational realities of advanced aircraft, ensuring that the standard remains robust and relevant in today's aerospace landscape. Application of DO-160 in design, testing, and certification processes. DO-160 is integral to multiple phases of aerospace product development and certification. Its requirements shape the design, testing, and approval processes, impacting stakeholders from initial design through regulatory clearance, design phase. Engineers and designers consult DO-160 specifications early in the development process, ensuring that materials, construction, and system configurations align with environmental standards. For instance, designers of avionics components take into account DO-160G's electromagnetic compatibility and vibration requirements to ensure long-term durability. Testing phase. During testing, aerospace manufacturers subject equipment to conditions specified in DO-160 sections, relevant to the equipment's operating environment. For example, external components like pitot tubes undergo rigorous waterproofness and icing tests to confirm they function reliably in extreme weather. Certification phase. The FAA and other regulatory authorities require DO-160 compliance in the certification process for all components used in commercial aircraft. Certification agencies review test results against DO-160 criteria, confirming that the equipment meets safety and durability standards under real-world conditions. Industries and sectors. Utilizing DO-160 standards. DO-160 is applied extensively across sectors within aerospace, including avionics and electronics. Avionics systems such as navigation, communication, and flight control electronics undergo extensive DO-160 testing to confirm that they operate reliably under diverse environmental conditions. Cabin interiors and passenger comfort systems. Environmental controls, entertainment systems, and lighting are all subjected to DO-160 tests to ensure safety and consistent performance, especially in high vibration and low pressure environments. External components and sensors. Equipment installed outside the pressurized cabin, such as sensors, antennae, and other exterior mounted components, is tested for waterproofness, vibration, and temperature resilience to withstand atmospheric exposure. Electric propulsion and energy systems. With the rise of electric propulsion and energy storage systems, DO-160's power input and ESD standards play a crucial role in ensuring safe and efficient operation of these high-tech systems under variable environmental conditions. Maintenance and repair operations, MROs. MRO facilities rely on DO-160 standards when testing replacement parts or refurbished equipment to ensure that they meet safety and performance criteria before reinstallation. Final thoughts. RTCA DO-160 has become a foundational standard in the aerospace industry, evolving over decades to keep pace with technological advancements and safety needs. Its comprehensive testing requirements across 26 sections ensure that aerospace equipment can withstand the diverse and challenging environmental conditions encountered in flight. The FAA's endorsement of DO-160 further reinforces its critical role in airworthiness certification, making it a cornerstone of aerospace safety. At Eminent, we provide specialized consulting services to guide you through the DO-160 testing and certification process. from initial design support to compliance solutions. Whether you're designing next-generation avionics, cabin systems, or external components, our team can help you achieve DO-160 compliance, supporting a streamlined path to certification and operational safety. Check out our articles on all DO-160 sections.